Yep, it's a United airplane. I think this is when Dave was leaving to go back to Virginia because he was in the Navy and he worked on a subtender. So I'm thinking that's when he left. So it's just he had a good time with him when he was home. I don't know exactly what year this was. I think it was back in about 68, something like that. Because Denny and I had just got married. So that's what I'm thinking it was. We were at the Lincoln Airport. And this is. Who is that little stinker? Could it be Rinda? It could be. No, there's Rinda. That could have been Dina. Yeah. That's Larry handing out the gifts. Don't know what to do about them. Yeah, that's Rinda. That's gotta be Dina. Oops. I think I know that butt. Belongs to me. There's Connie dancing. I think that's Dina. There's me. I'm dancing with Rinda. I remember that shirt so well. I love that shirt. Really good times there. She was having fun dancing. Yeah. Yep, there's Denny. I was dancing with Denny. We were married then. Rinda and Dina gonna dance together. Dad enjoyed those kids so much. Yeah. Isn't she a cutie? Yeah, a lot of antiques there. That lamp, you can't even find them like that anymore. See the pictures down there? So it had to be. Yeah. Used to babysit those two little Ahabs. They're sweet kids. There you go, Denny. He's having a good time with them. Yeah. Good times.